Good morning, everyone. Let's check out what we have in bag 6 for Jenny's countdown to Christmas. All right, I tried guessing yesterday on what is in this bag, and I could not think of anything. And one of my channels that I love to watch on YouTube is Sew the Distance. I will put her channel link in the comments because I love her channel. She does a lot of quilting videos and she shows gorgeous old quilts on her channel. And she just gives like a talk about them and about what she thinks of them. And I absolutely am fascinated by it, love watching it. And all that to say, she had made a really good guess yesterday on what this might be. She was thinking a bobbin holder, which made me wonder also, because I think that's a great guess, if it could be one of those containers that holds push pins. So let's see if it's either of those, right? Oh, this has been so fun. I've really gotten some great stuff in these bags so far. I can't wait to see what the rest of them are. I have no idea what this might be. Oh, it's cute. I would have never guessed. It's a little button. I guess, is it maybe like a cup holder? I don't know. It's really cute. I would have never guessed. It's adorable. What do you think it is? Is it like a cup holder? Let me know in the comments what you think. It's a little dirty from shipping, but we can clean that up really easy. That's a cute button. I'm gonna have to go watch Jenny's video and see what it is, because I'm gonna guess it's a cup holder, but it is porcelain. Very cute. All right, so I did try looking some more to get the running total on what the box is so far, and I still couldn't find anything on the hanger and pattern. So I went ahead and gave that a $15 value, because there was a hanger on the site for wall hanging quilts that was the same size but just had 3 stars instead of the 1 that came in my box. So that was $16. I went ahead and gave that bag a value of $15 because I just didn't really want to go over and any of that. And the threads from yesterday were $3.95 each. So that put the running total at, I had to look at my notes because I couldn't remember, at $53 up to bag 5. So with today's, I don't know what it would be yet. I'm gonna watch Jenny's video and see what she called it and everything. It's a cute little trinket. So I'm not sure. So when I figure that out, I will update as well. So tomorrow we'll be looking at bag 7. And this one has, it feels like a box inside. It kind of feels like maybe one of those rolls of, I have one here, hold on. Like maybe one of those rolls of like triangles or something like that. I don't know. It's definitely a roll of something. It could be like different kind of fabric tapes, I don't know, but it's definitely a roll of something. So come back tomorrow to see what's in bag 7. I'm going to share some of the projects that I've made so far coming up soon. I finished the fabric hanging quilt. That is all done. So I will share that. Look out for that video if you want to see it finished. And then I'll be back here tomorrow to go through the next bag. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can continue watching the unboxings. And I've had a lot of fun so far. I hope if you have this box, you've enjoyed everything that you've unboxed so far. And if you haven't got a hold of this box, hopefully this has inspired you to get it for next year because it's been a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.